From the moment that you arrive, students are going to get a hands-on opportunity here. We want people to get a good grounding in the practice of theater as well as the study of theater, so that they're not just leaving here, being able to do something with theater, but they're actually able to think about it, to learn how to critically engage it. And that's kind of, what the real point of an education is, changing the way you encounter the world.
I chose to study theater at Bowling Green State University because when looking at different options for pursuing a collegiate education in theater, I really was drawn to the fact that if there were any areas that I was interested in the industry, I would be able to pursue those options freely, that it was a really flexible program.
One of the strengths of the program is their ability to choose a variety of paths. Our majors are a theater major, but that branches out into several different specializations. So you can specialize in musical theater, you can specialize in youth theater, acting and directing, design and technology. But within that, there are programs for stage management and other kinds of areas in theater.
The growth opportunity that Bowling Green provides for students, the directors and the faculty really push you to be the best you and also the best performer you can be.
They want you to explore everything that is a part of this industry.
Art is not created in a vacuum. Art is created with an awareness of the world that surrounds artists. We are developing students that are going to be both scholars and artists.
We really believe in developing students what we would call transferable skills. So they learn how to communicate, which is something that is very important to a lot of employers.
I think that the range of careers or opportunities that students could seek out once they leave our department are multiple.
We have a large group of folks who are in New York and Chicago and Los Angeles who are working actors, various folks who work in arts councils or for other theaters as in arts management.
I think there's so many opportunities for leadership. I think that's one of the highlights of being here.
Bowling Green has definitely prepared me for my career. I feel confident in what I've been taught. I feel confident in myself. BG's just provided such a great environment for discovering who you are as an artist and getting to grow in that and know who you are before you leave.